All right, so preload 2, count to high ready. On start, you chamber 1 round, 1 standing, 1 slug kneeling. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Go. Good.
All right.
So this one, Tom, 1 string, empty shotgun at high ready. On start, you load 5 slugs. Oh, we didn't do that with you. 2 rounds standing, 3 rounds kneeling. Okay?
Okay, so I start empty.
Start empty. Empty gun at high ready.
Yeah.
Load 5.
Load 5.
2 standing, 2 kneeling.
3.
3. I'm sorry.
Yeah, 2 and 3. Okay, yeah, got it.
2 and 3.
Okay.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Go. Kneel.
Oh.
Oh, there's a problem.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now I know to work that, and I know my ears are going to be a problem with the stock.
Yes. It's
I
high.
figured that out.
Yep.
Yep.
That's why you're doing it. So, okay, you got your ammo ready?
Yeah.
Okay, shooter ready, stand by, go. Stop. Okay, go to low ready, shooter ready, stand by, go. Not bad. Low ready, shooter ready, stand by, go. Okay, low ready again, shooter ready, stand by, go. Good. Well done.
Very nice.
You got a minute at .3, I believe. They're pretty right there.
I think so.
I do too. So let's go to the last one. So with an empty shotgun, on start you load 3, fire 3 buck, reload 2, and fire those.
Yeah, so load 3, shoot 3, load 2, shoot 2.
Yes, sir.
Was there a... Was I, no, we're good.
We're good. Load 3, shoot 3, load 2, shoot 2. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Go. Load 2. Nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Got a safe? Jim, thank you.
Yeah, boy.
Wow, you're right. You didn't spread at all.
Oh, man. Nice.
No,
No,
on
this
it,
dang
right?
comp barrel just...
That comp barrel just kept it tight.
I could probably even keep it under 25, but I still chose slug just to be safe.
Nice.
Wow.
But yeah, at 15 and 7, it's no problem.
Very nice.
And that's wad,
Wad.
Yeah.
wad, wad.
You got no control over
The other
those.
one.
Yeah, man.
Very cool.
Very nice.
All right.